What is going on, everybody? So welcome back to the channel. My name is Benjamin, if you don't already know who I am. And we are going to cold call once again today. All right. So just for the new individuals out there, I do these live cold calling sessions just to show you guys the meat and potatoes of cold calling, you know, the behind the scenes kind of in a way. Just take you along with me candidly and honestly and genuinely as I'm talking to these real people on the other end. All right. So I know it can be scary. I know it can be daunting. At the end of the day, got to learn to talk to people. You know, I'm kind of introverted in a way, but I feel like on the phones, I've really allowed myself to open up because I've realized that the worst thing that can happen is someone tell you no or hang up on you and then on to the next. Okay. One thing to remember, these sellers have your money. Okay. And I'm for real, guys. Like these sellers have your money. At least that's the mindset you have to think of. Yeah, you have to get a little intentionally aggressive in regards to making these calls and taking action. Because at the end of the day, that's how you're going to get paid if you're wanting to be a full-time real estate investor or wholesaler. You know, it's by finding deals. And that starts with talking to people. So let's not take it lightly, guys. These people have our money. So let's get on the phones and let's get our money. Okay, we're going to start with a list that I pulled directly from Batch Leads. This is which one is it today? It's a vacant list, and there's 1,634 individuals on this list. So let's go ahead and start calling using Batch Leads or Batch Dialer. If you want to use it, check out the link below. It can definitely help you out and get you on the right foot and allow you to start having conversations. So it's available. So we're rocking and rolling. It is dialing right now. Let's go to the dashboard.
Hello? To take your call. Please leave a message after.
And these are my call results. No answer. Obviously, somebody doesn't answer. Wrong or bad number. Pretty self-explanatory. Interested or submit, you know, someone who wants to sell. That when I click this, it sends all the information to my CRM, which is Simply. Not interested, takes them out of the dialer. Do not call someone who F you, don't call me again. And maybe later. This is a new one that I just added today. Basically, it's for the individuals who you don't know what to do with, but you don't want to send them to your CRM because you only want to send people who say yes, who raise their hand. I want to sell to your CRM because you don't want to flood it with fluff, basically. So once I click this, it automatically puts them in their own campaign, their own list within the dialer. And maybe once a month or once every, bi-monthly, I can call them. Maybe things change or whatever, but you never know. But those are for the individuals maybe you had an awkward conversation with. And you don't want to trash the lead because, you're not sure. But at the same time, you don't want to waste time on these individuals. But I do want to compile them together because maybe I could have a VA, text blast them, or I can, like I said, cold call them every other month, just for an hour or so. But just want to let you guys know that. So that was a no answer. Let's double click it and it'll go to the next. Right now I'm on the live dashboard, so it'll tell you exactly what's calling at the time. And we're on a triple line dialer. And as you can see, sometimes it takes a while for it to start dialing the 3 lines. It's going a little slow this morning. I'm in the office today and the Wi-Fi was pretty slow yesterday. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hi, this is Benjamin. I was calling about a property on 7th Street right here in Highlands. See if... Not interested.
Hello.
Hello, hi. I was calling about a property I believe you own on Sayre Street. Is that for sale by any chance, ma'am?
No, it's not.
Okay. Do you have any other property by any chance that you'd consider selling? Or land?
No, I do not. No, I do not.
No problem. I'll take you out of our system, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
So you always want to make sure that you, let me see here. Or DNC. You always want to make sure you ask that second question. Basically, okay, when they tell you no, okay, well, do you by any chance have any other property you consider selling? Property or land, because you can definitely wholesale some land. And you might as well just throw that in there as well. Do you have any other houses or land that you consider selling? Hello?
Bueno, contesten.
Yes, ma'am. This is Benjamin Tu Casa on Talton Street. Is it for sale?
Ay, yo no sé qué dice, hombre, chingado.
Uh, Guys, I don't know if y'all saw my other video, but I need to learn Spanish. Hold on, just so I can ask the dang question. Let me do it right here. Is your house for sale? ¿Está tu casa en venta? Does that sound right? My Spanish speakers. And I know someone wrote in the comments, translation, ¿Está tu casa en venta? Not interested. I should have did no answer. That's fine. But then I'm like, so after I say that, then what? How do I continue the conversation? But if they say yes, then I'll make it an interested lead and then send it to my Hispanic homeboy. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep this up right here. It's on my other screen. ¿Está tu casa en venta? We shall see. Let's keep it going. Hello.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I may have the wrong number. I was calling for the property owner of Inglelike Street.
You're calling a business.
Yes, it sounded like it. Sorry about that. Thank you.
No problem, sir. Bye-bye.
So we're going to do wrong number or bad number because a lead could have like 3 numbers. And if that's a bad number, we still want to be able to call these to other numbers that are attached to the contact. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I was calling for the property owner of Avenue J right here in Houston.
It's not for sale.
Okay. Do you have any other property by any chance or land or anything? That you consider selling?
No, sir.
No. Okay. All right. I'll take you out of our system.
All right.
Not interested. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hi. I don't know if you can help me. I'm calling for the property owner of Fallbridge Drive right here in Houston.
Oh, I think you got the wrong number. This is a ladies' clothing store.
Oh, wow. Yes, definitely the wrong number. Sorry about that.
No problem. Have a good day.
All right. I feel like she was BSing me, but who knows? Hello?
Hello, UHPD. How may I help you?
I definitely have the wrong number. I was calling for the property owner of East Witcher Lane right here in Houston, but I think this is the wrong number.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the University of Houston Police Department.
All right. Sorry about that.
It's okay. Have a good one.
You too. Wow, the police department. Really, Batch? It's all good. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, I was calling for the property owner of the property on Legion Street right here in Houston, 3614.
I can speak English well. Can you transfer for Vietnamese?
Okay, no, is the property for sale, house for sale on Legion Street?
No, I don't need. Thank you.
Okay. Bad number, I think that was the wrong number actually. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, hi. I may have the wrong number. I was calling for the property owner of 3822 Grapevine.
This is she.
Yes, ma'am. I was simply just calling to see if by any chance you'd consider to offer on the property there. Just my wife and I looking to purchase a property.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm holding on to it for now, okay?
Oh, okay. Do you think
Okay.
it may change later down the line or just
Not at the time.
Okay. All right.
You know. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, yes. Bye-bye. Thanks. So that's a nice solid house. So I'm gonna do maybe later. Nice solid house. I tried to get that second question in, but she was adamant about getting off the phone. I'm not gonna push people, to talk to me, but it's all good. Just trying to talk to people, just trying to have conversations. She will be getting a call back though in a month or so. Hello.
Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir. We actually spoke a while ago regarding your West Hampton Drive property. Is that still for sale by any chance?
No, no have for sale.
Oh, okay. Do you have any other property for sale?
I'm
Or
sorry.
land or anything?
No,
No.
I don't have for sale. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Thank you. No problem. Nice guy.
Hello?
Hello. Hi. We actually spoke a while ago, I believe, regarding a property on Dragonwick. Is that still for sale at all, sir?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Gotcha. Okay. So you don't know the property owner of 2919 Dragonwick?
No.
Okay. Sorry about that. That's probably the owner. I'm skeptical on every conversation I have, by the way, if you guys haven't noticed. But it's all good.
Speaking.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, hi. I don't know if I have the right number. I'm calling for the property owner of Melcher Drive, 13630 Melcher Drive.
It's not for sale.
It's not for sale. Okay. Do you have any other property or land maybe that's for sale?
Not at this time, sir.
Okay.
No.
All right. Thank you very much. Not interested. Not gonna lie, guys. Today is kind of a rough day on the dialer, but that's just a part of it. It's gonna be dead days, dry days. Just gotta keep it going, guys. Oops. And I was talking to a mentee of mine yesterday regarding cold calling. Because cold calling is tough. It's not everybody's built for it. But I do want to stress the fact that if you're really looking to build a
phone number.
If you're really looking to build a business, wholesale real estate business or real estate business in general, you just need to learn the ropes with cold calling. That's why I always stress that people should start cold calling first before they hire out or anything. But just understand, you can start cold calling a month or two, 3 months, whatever. Just have some conversations, get used to being on the phones. But then after that, you can definitely start hiring VAs to make those cold calls for you. That's the next step. That's when you really start gaining traction, because you don't want to always be in the trenches with your business. Okay, you want to delegate the time, because time is the most valuable asset, for sure. So you only want to be focusing on important tasks, okay? And that at that point, that could be following up with people who have already raised their hands and said they want to sell, okay? So maybe that looks like you hiring a cheap little $5-6 VA, just one, to start cold calling 20, 30 hours a week for you, and you just following up with the individuals who they speak with, okay? That's like the natural progression or trajectory with cold calling. You start off, learn the ropes, so then you can train and teach and mold another individual to your business, your needs, so you can start, scaling. That's if you want to scale, or you could be a one-man show and just call specifically, niche lists or whatever. It's up to you, but just make sure you work backwards and figure out your long game goals. Because you want to make sure you're just not running around in circles on the dialer. Getting frustrated or whatever. You just need to learn the ropes and then get a VA and just see how it goes. Okay, that's what I did, and so I'm just speaking from experience. Okay, guys. But I like to cold call. Obviously, that's why I'm on the dialer right now.
Do you know your party's extension?
I do not know my damn party's extension. If I did, I wouldn't be calling you. Dialer frustrations right there. All right, guys. So that's that. Not the best day of conversations, but like I said, that's just part of it. So let me know if you have any questions down below. Like I say, I always respond to every single comment personally. If you have any questions, concerns, just curious why I said certain thing, why I didn't, let me know. Like and subscribe. If you want to check out Batch, check out the link below. You get like a free month or a free half off. I'm not sure, but it's a great system. And talk to y'all later. Peace.